Hey guys, so I'm going to show you squishy haul. I really love collecting squishies, so very addicted. So firstly is this one. It's cracking. I'm so sad because it's kind of cracking. I really love these squishies. Next, this is my very favorite one. I don't know what do we call them, but I don't know what do we call this, but this is a smiley face bun. This super smiley face bun, and it's big one. Next, this one. Next, this one. I don't know what do we call these squishies. Next is this one. No, sorry. Not that one. This one. It's defected. I'm so sad. It's so very defected. Next is this one. It ripped off. Sorry, but in that shop it's very dirty and it's already broken the things. This cushion. Next is this one. Okay. Excuse me first, but excuse me. Next squishy that I got is this one. This one. Sorry, because of my next squishy I got this one. This is more light than the other squishy. So thanks for watching guys, and goodbye.